How to check TikTok watch history. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To check TikTok watch history, launch TikTok app on your device. Make sure to log into your account and get to your profile by tapping profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Select three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Now select settings and privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, you have to scroll down and from the Content and Display section, select Activity Center. Once the options gets loaded, tap Watch History and here you will see all your watch history on TikTok. You can tap Filter by Date and filter your watch history by date as well. And then if you want to delete, you can select the particular one and then tap the delete button as well. Tap delete. This will delete the selected watch history permanently. Likewise, you can select all the videos by check marking each of the videos and you can delete on bunch by tapping on select all watch history and tap the delete button at bottom right corner of the screen. So in this way you can easily check watch history on TikTok. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.